invented?
Yeah, when
Well,
Uber was
it wasn't here first. It was invented like 9 years ago.
Really?
It came here to Houston, and then it left. So it's been here again for 3 years, but it was here like 2 years prior. So I'm thinking like maybe 5 to 6 years ago it came here.
Okay. Oh, I didn't know that.
But you can Google it.
I mean, invented like 9 years ago? Wow.
I think. Let me see.
Okay.
I'm gonna Google it right quick while the light is green.
Okay.
When was Uber invented?
March 2009, San Francisco, California.
Yeah, like 10 years ago, pretty much.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have other job other than Uber? Or so
This is it.
it's one job.
Just one job.
Okay.
It take all day to do it, but yeah, that's one job.
So are you satisfied with your job? Are you satisfied with your job?
I'm okay with it.
Okay.
It doesn't bother me.
Mm.
It's easy. Sometimes you meet really nice people.
Yes.
You know,
Sometimes rude people.
not a lot.
Okay.
You do meet rude people, but not a lot.
Okay.